Sometimes in very short or short question, you can be asked in a simple language, what is motif or what is motif in literature or what is the main purpose of motif, okay? And you have to answer just like this. What is motif? Motif means symbol. In a brief or in a simple language, we can say that motif is nothing, it is a symbol. So motif is a repeated pattern. What? It is a repeated pattern, and pattern, a particular idea maybe or a dominant element, maybe a theme that is repeated. It is always repeated. A particular idea will be repeated or will be presented or discussed again and again. Maybe a dominant element because it is symbol, maybe a theme that is repeated, maybe a character, maybe a name also, maybe a verbal pattern even, maybe an image, maybe a sound, okay? But just don't forget that all these things are repeated, means they are discussed, they are presented, and they are always described again and again by the writer. So that is called motif. Maybe even a sound also, a particular sound is repeated, a particular word is repeated, maybe language, maybe symbol, which runs through a work of art, literature or story. So all these things or one of them is repeated by the writer or by an author, or that comes back again and again within a particular story. Okay, particular story, you have only one story, and within that story one of them can be repeated by the author. And what is the purpose of motif? That is to point towards the theme. It is just like a motif is like a clue, like an indication to the message that is always provided by the author. So the main purpose of an author is to point out something important, that is that he wants to indicate to the theme or to the message, or he is trying to give us any particular clue through all these repeated pattern. So motif can be called a recurring element that is repeated pattern that recur again and again within a single story, within a single work of literature, is also called a motif, and it occurs throughout the story, means one of them we can see again and again. For example, in Virginia Woolf novel Mrs. Dalloway, that was there we found a stream of consciousness, and again there was a repeated pattern. Again and again we find the striking clocks. Virginia Woolf, she focuses, she emphasized again and again on what? On the striking clocks, only to give or to indicate the theme or to give a clue to the masses, because the striking clocks were very important in this novel Mrs. Dalloway. Mrs. Dalloway, and the one-legged sailor in Ulysses, or bright light in Romeo and Juliet. So that is motif, repeated pattern